Ka Frank Yamaha kalapan bena ya kisan ngut kinong job haka lucky draw na kabenta kinong thiet ya ki arshaka na kini ke showroom jong ka Frank Yamaha. Ka Frank Yamaha kala ai ya ka kusnam da ka laptop ya kisan ngut kinong job ki bala thiet ya ki arshaka hau benai nailur na ki showroom ki badan ha Shillong Jowai bat Mairang. Kini ke jingsam ka Frank Yamaha da ki kusnam kolong shibenta banaki ya ke jingdap khan rius nam Kajing Chakri ya kipat ba kipat jutsu tanat banyak berwan pendon kam ya ketutuk jongka Yamaha. Kinong job hakani kalau kidro kilong Sevenson Kharpom Tia Kobita Hajong Muhammad Mashbli Sharon Rose Khardosau Badjiri Meki Kharnoyor. Layat ho mana kabenta kipat thiet ya ki archaka hauni banai risau on sapenle ya kalau kidro hakabakut uni banai.
All to our lucky draw, and I thank you for spending the time with us this evening. As part of our 16th birthday celebration, Frank Yamaha wants to celebrate with all our customers. So the whole of September, we will give offers and schemes to our customers. For which yesterday also we already had a draw for the phones. We have given away yesterday 8 phones, nine phones. So we have 9 lucky winners yesterday who have received their phones. And today we have this lucky draw for the 5 laptops. And before that also in this month of September, that is on the 16th, which is the day where we have established, we have given a gold coin to all the customers who have purchased on that day, a gold coin of what worth rupees 5,000. Because we want to celebrate together with you all. Because you are part of our journey. It's because of you that we are able to achieve this milestone. 16 years is not, it's a huge year for us. To achieve this, it's not easy. But because of your love towards the brand, because you choose us, you choose Yamaha, so we are very proud of you all, your customers. So I want to give this message to you all, that we want to celebrate this 16th birthday with all the customers. So thank you all for choosing us, for choosing the brand, and we believe that in future you will be referring to your family and friends if you have really liked the product, like the brand, if you have liked our service. I believe that you do like our service, you do like our brand and product. So I believe that you have been referring, and I am expecting that you will be also referring in future to your family and friends. And I believe that we will grow together in the more years to come. We will achieve more success. So today is a big day. We have 5 laptops here. And so I will request my son to pick 5 tickets from here and he will keep it there. And I also have 1 kid. She will come and pick one and we will announce the winner. September. So I will request any one of you from our dear customers to please pick this coupon here and announce the name for the lucky winner of these laptops. This will start with me. Oh, you want to pick? Sorry, from here. Only one penny. Good night, good night. Sam, please turn off. Sam will announce
the first lucky winner is Mr. Sevenson Kharpomtia. Mr. Sevenson Kharpomtia. The second lucky winner for the laptop is Mr. Muhammad Mashibli. Mr. Muhammad Mashibli. Third lucky winner is Kobita Hajong. Kobita Hajong. The fourth winner is Miss Sharon Rose Khardosa. Sharon Rose Khardosa. Last coupon, last lucky winner is Mr. Jerry Maxi Khanayor. Jerry Maxi Khanayor.